Hello folks, this is a 1922 Singer 99K. There's the serial number that indicates that. And it's in good condition. Seems to be in very good working condition. I tightened the belt up, or the motor, and tore it apart a little bit, DeOXit it, cleaned it up. It does not come with the cover, it does come with the base. Look at this motor. The motor looks pretty new. It looks like somebody replaced the motor recently. It's definitely not the original motor. So let's see it go real quick. Alright, so she runs. That's about it, folks. Happy bidding. Oh, and I forgot one thing for you nighttime workers. Let me move this around here. The light works. Yay. Yay for the working light for you midnight sewers. Alright. God bless you folks. Take care. Have a great day.